Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have got a B&M Home Stores haul for you. If you don't know, I've just moved into our new house and a couple of bits are for the new house, and then the rest are just like snacky bits and then something that I bought on impulse. So yeah, I will show you. I got one of these cat litter trays that has a lid on it because the cats keep flinging litter everywhere. They're in the conservatory, but it's just annoying me. I keep stepping on it. I got a shoe storage. Let me turn it over and see if there's a picture. A shoe storage thing because we have a big cupboard here. Obviously we've only moved in like 4 days ago. We've got this big cupboard that I'm going to have for shoes, and it's only a narrow cupboard, but that will be nice in there. Gravy, because this gravy is amazing, and sometimes when I can't be asked to make real gravy, this one will do. Club biscuits, Nature Valley bars. The kids love these as a snack. That's 20 of them. I've never seen a packet that big before. I would say these are Halloween chocolates, but they're not. These are for me to have in the fridge because they look amazing. I got the kids some of these little birthday cake straws. They love these with milk. Fibre One donuts. They're so good if you haven't had them. I used to really like the brownies, but I've gone off the brownies. The donuts are yum. Some curry noodles. These are just kind of like quick snacky lunches for me. Jalapenos because I've run out. Garlic granules because I've run out. 2 lots of Halloween chocolate because we now live on an estate where kids trick or treat. Tumble dryer sheets because I've run out. Pop-Tarts because I bought the girls some fudge ones the other day and they really liked them, but from my memory these are better, so I got those. Nacho cheese because why not. 4 little protein shakes, 2 white chocolate, 2 normal chocolate. Some toilet tabs. I really like these. You don't have to scrub and they just clean your toilet for you. Oxo cubes, chicken and beef. A potato thing for Fox to try. A Dougie cupcake kit for my Foxy man. 4 lots of little mug shots, just again quick lunches. I needed a new charger plug, and this one is handy because it does USB and it does iPhone, because iPhone, I've got one of them fast charger ones, but I can only charge one at a time because I've got my watch and I've got my phone. Freezer bags. I haven't got anywhere in the kitchen for a bin. Like I've got this one which is recycling, but that is my actual bin at the minute, which just annoys me. So I've got one of these little caddy ones that I can hang on the side of the cupboard to have the rubbish in. Wooden spoons, because I love wooden spoons, and mine are all a bit old and burnt, so I thought I would get some new ones. They were £3, which I think was bad. Some wipes, just for like cleaning the surfaces and stuff. Some collagen. I've been meaning to get this for ages because my hair and my nails are awful at the moment. So I got that to give it a try. I got Foxy some new pyjamas because I didn't realise, but all his pyjamas are so small on him now. They're like ankle skimmers. So I got him some new ones. I got a bath mat for my ensuite. Get naked. I thought that was cute. This is so yummy. I love this stuff. And then I got the kids an Oreo one. This is £2, not $3.99. No one's paying £4 for a box of cereal. Dishwasher stuff because we've got a dishwasher here and needed it. And I got a bulb. Can't do this yet because I don't have Wi-Fi, but this is going to go in the living room, and it's a colour change one, which I thought was cool. And then my impulse buy, you probably already spotted, was a coffee machine. This was £69, reduced to £39. So I got myself that, and then I got some Chocochino pods and some caramel macchiato pods. I thought that looked amazing. So I'm going to set this up and have a look. But yeah, that was my haul. This is why I don't go in B&M. I just literally cannot be trusted at all. But it's okay. It's fine. I only do it like once a year. So it's not the end of the world. Thanks so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.